The toothbrushing method developed from Dandelion Oral Care Action not only can help students to brush, but also let them learn brushing techniques gradually by looking at the reflection in the mirror. You have to get used to brushing for the student by looking into the mirror. Here are some tips. 1. To prevent cross-infection, remember to wear gloves when you brush for the student. 2. Lighting is important when brushing for the student. You should brush for the student in a well-lit environment, with the student facing a light source. It will allow more light to get into the student's mouth, and you can see her teeth clearly. 3. Place the toothbrush into the student's mouth when you can see the teeth clearly from the mirror. 4. If the student tightens her lips, you could massage the lips and let the student relax. Then you could place the toothbrush on the gum margins. 5. If the cheek blocks your view when brushing the gum margins of the molars, you can retract the cheek by a toothbrush. Then you can see the outer tooth surfaces and the gum margins. 6. If the student does not open her mouth wide when brushing the outer surfaces, you can put the toothbrush in from the corner of the student's mouth. 7. Don't put the toothbrush too far back beyond the last molars. It will make the student retch. If the student begins to gag, you may give the student a break to rinse the mouth. After that, you may continue to brush. If the student retches easily, you can choose a toothbrush with a smaller size head. The size of a toothbrush head should be about the diameter of a 50-cent coin. 8. Don't try to relocate the toothbrush by moving it around inside the student's mouth. You should take out the toothbrush and adjust the correct position, and then place it back into the mouth again. 9. If the student bites on the toothbrush, you can use another toothbrush as a biting device and put it on the chewing surfaces. Let the student bite it on one side, and you can brush the other side. 10. If the student keeps moving the tongue, brushing for the student will be difficult. You can insert the toothbrush from the premolar region, then move along with the gum margins until it reaches the innermost tooth. You can let the student rinse when there's too much water in the mouth.